Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Sirisha, and today our debate topic is English is necessary for get developed, and we are brought to this topic.
Good morning, friends, and good morning, my dear ma'am. Today we are standing here to compete on the topic of is English is necessary for develop.
English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is used in many parts of the world and it is the often language that is common to the people who have first language other than the English.
I am totally disagree with this topic because is English what's the topic? English is necessary for develop. English is a tool, but it is not for use to develop. Some common man also can survive without English. Some of the man doesn't know the English, but they can survive in this world.
Nowadays, when people are so often in English that they are speaking their mother tongue, they have a mixture of English.
Okay, you mean English is a global language, but how can you say that English only develop the skills or English only develop our lifestyle or?
My dear friend, from childhood onwards, in Telugu medium and in English medium also, English is introduced because English is one of the global language, and the most important concept of this developed English is that in Telugu medium people also are going for the other countries, right? If they go to other countries also, they must compulsory they should know English, right?
You mean we have to know English? That's why we have to survive in this world.
No, I am not saying like that. I am saying that if, however, every people will, nowadays most of the people are
I
educated.
get the topic now.
I didn't agree. Most of the people are educating, right? If they are educating, if they go to other countries also, they should know the English.
Okay, listen. I give one of the example. One farmer is there. He doesn't know even alphabets. He doesn't know even ABCs. Yeah, but he survives. Now today he has a great businessman. He knows everything because he have a technical mind. He have a technical skills, score skills, and everything. So many businessmen, greatest businessmen come in and meet with him and take an ideas, right? So English is necessary. He knows everything. He knows the technical things. He knows their ideas. He have an ideas. He knows what we have to plant. What type of
Whatever he know,
yeah.
if we do the trade and commerce with other countries, he should know English, right?
Without English, he
How
can.
can he?
Why? Technical mind. Yeah, technical. He knows the technical vision. Go and
When you are changing the currency, we have to know their currency means like in US they use dollars. In our country we are using rupees because we have to know the spellings also.
Listen, what is our topic? Is English is necessary for development.
Yeah, that's what we are saying. English is necessary for development because if we go to other countries also, they are using currency as dollars, etc. If our Indians are using currency as rupees, if we change the currency, we should use the important.
How they know the link? Currency
How?
development.
How it doesn't link?
Sorry, my dear friend, I'm not fully disagreeable with you because English is not necessary. It is partially necessary, but it doesn't depend upon our totally. Because when we take as a local people,
However, local people also. However, your friend said that farmer, right? If the farmer also, if he need business with multinational countries, he should know the importance of English, and in the mother tongue also nowadays people are using mixture, means they are combining English when they are talking in mother tongue.
but English is not necessary fully. Today, local people are also developed growth.
But they are much influenced with the people who are speaking English.
Okay, listen. If you have an English skill, okay, if you have a good communication, if you don't know about a technical field or technical knowledge or a code knowledge, how can you survive?
Because we can know English.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm totally disagree with this topic.
But I am agree with this point.
Listen, in engineering,
How can you say that all the jobs are related to technical?
If
what?
How can you say that yes,
Like, for example, take an engineering institution, ECE and EEE department are more.
for administration department, do they have technical skills?
In our administration, Chandrababu Naidu, for example, Chandrababu Naidu have fully known of English that he is not using. In
Not
technical,
saying about
What do you want to say? Repeat once.
as everyone has technical skills. You said that English is
Your team leader said that English is necessary for what? Repeat once.
You said that technical field English is not important, right? But we are saying that
without English they have
You said
for communication we should know the importance of English. We should speak in English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah, sir.
In our engineering colleges, we have a campus recruitment. If the person who knows the English skills or who have a good communication skills or have a communication, they can pass in that first round. Okay, but in next round, he have to implement. He have to know about the technical field, but he doesn't know. How can they survive?
Okay,
And this
what is your topic?
First I completed. Wait. And then second one.
that means if
First we should pass the first round, right?
But the person who doesn't know the communication, but he have a good skills.
In technical skills also, no. In technical skills also, if we know
They can build up their own business.
no, in technical field,
They can
if
build
we
up
pass the first round only now, we will promote to the second level. Yeah, if we don't know English, how could we pass first round?
if you had attended the interview, in written exam you can pass, but it is not sufficient. You have the technical skills to.
In written exam,
If I have not a good communicator, but I have a good technical field. I have good technical mind.
Okay.
I have a talent. But I can to get
business only up to local level.
what?
You have all technical skills,
The
you can extend your business only on local level.
The person who can have technical skills, he can express their views by
How?
pictorial representation.
without knowing the English, how can he express?
He can express by pictorial representation. In previous discussion classes,
Yeah,
we
pictorial representation is very important. for
But
you.
what is the topic? English is necessary for development. Yeah, we should speak about that.
technical skills.
In your family, all people are knows English.
Yeah,
All people.
yeah, everyone know English.
In your family.
Okay, wait. Just wait. Farmer story you said, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, farmers, they should know the English, right?
How?
Then
Yeah, the point is raised now.
it is not necessary.
Farmers,
If he
students
knows the
will-
core, if he knows the grassroots of the topic,
Farmers can also be a farmer.
what? You totally not up there your topic. Totally left.
You said about the farm, example farmer.
Huh?
Then what will be a farmer's son? Even if they
I'm talking about farmer, not a son.
farmer will have sons now.
Just
I am talking about
Wait.
Farmer, okay, wait. Farmer will go, business will be in high level, right? He should do trade and commerce with other countries.
that is not working directly. It is going to government.
However, there should be an importance of English.
Our government was helping to exporting.
Which government, if it government helps us, so the government,
That government only today we have a fees reimbursement in engineering institutions. That we have always the.
for that what is,
You said, English is necessary, na? And nowadays, if we don't know the English, but we can build up our own business without any English. If we have a technical field, if we have own ideas, if we have our own talent, we can build up, na? We can build up our own business in
how
our
can we build them? Without knowing proper English, how can we build them?
If you know English, if you didn't have any core and soft skills, how can you develop your goal?
Yeah, in India also engineering is full of English only.
or technology. And where is your technical field? Yeah, where is your core?
First think about English, afterwards technology. Okay.
English is totally related, na? You said that.
First of all, we should pass
You know English, but
English.
you know English, but you doesn't know about what is the technical field, or what is the core, what is the particular thing, how can you survive?
core subjects are also in English only na.
Core means nothing, no, not a communication. I tell about core means your grassroots. What is your
Why are you grass?
grass is what you know.
What?
First of all, thing grass is what you know.
Don't excite.